As you can see by the title, you guys already know what this video is finna be about. So y'all gonna watch me install this a full lace human wig. It's a 13x4, and I'm just going to show y'all what the hair is like before I install it, and just so y'all can see. And I actually got this hair from Amazon, so I'm gonna open it and then we just gonna see how it is. I think they put something in there. Oh, they gave me some lashes. I didn't even know that. They give you free lashes. And I went to the beauty supply today and forgot to pick me up some, so I got me some, y'all. Take that off. So, ooh, it's pretty. The hair is actually really soft. It's soft. Pull on it, you know, to see if there's any shedding. And honestly, y'all, no shedding. Like, no hair came out. And it comes with clips, 2 clip-ins, and straps on the back. And as you can see, it's already pre-plucked. So y'all, if y'all trying to get something quick, you know, something easy to do, y'all go to Amazon and check them out, because they got some good hair for a very good legit price, and the hair quality is amazing. So what we finna do is, y'all finna watch me. This is my first time ever installing a 13x4 lace wig on my. I have never done it before, like never. If I'm doing me a wig, I normally make my own wigs. I go and buy the bundles by myself, and I make the wig by myself. And the size of the lace I always get is a 4x4, and you know, a 4x4 is like right here. So you know, this is gonna be my first time working with this, so y'all bear with me. So I'm about to take my hair down. I'm finna put it, flatten it down, put it in a bun, put a cap on it, and then we finna do this wig. So I'll see y'all in the next clip. Okay, so as y'all can see, I've already applied the wig. I haven't glued it down yet because this part of it is still have a hump in it. So I'm just gonna go and pluck it. So basically all I'm gonna do is get some mousse, and this mousse is by Motions. It's versatile foam styling lotion, and I got this from my local beauty supply store. So I'm just gonna take some. So now I'm going to flatten out this hair. I'm gonna flatten it out with my hot comb I got from the local beauty supply. Okay, y'all, so I went on ahead and decided to do a side part because I really, truly, honestly was not feeling that middle part with this type of style, and I think the side part is just so pretty. So I just went on ahead and parted me a side right here, and I did not have to pluck it. When you part it anywhere, you get, you know, a part. So we're gonna try the side part, and I did cut it already off camera. I just did a straight cut with scissors, nothing special. I'm just flattening out the top part, just like I did with the middle